Hello children, good morning to everyone. How are you? I hope you are all fine and healthy. Today we are going to see grade 5 maths. Today we can revise for the terminal examination. Okay, in that unit 2, what is the lesson name? Shapes and angles. Or you remember the topic children? Yes, okay, let me start. Shapes and angles. Angle. An angle is a plane figure formed by two rays, that is ray 1 and ray 2 is called the sides or arms of the angle, sharing a common end point. It is called vertex of the angle. The common end point is called the vertex of the angle. See the next one. Angles can be measured in degrees using protractor. This word protractor. The symbol for degree is it is, and then here two scales are there. It is inner scale, and then this one it is a outer scale, and this is a baseline. See the next one, types of angles. Acute angle, an angle whose measure is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. See that in that example figure, angle XYZ measures 65 degree. It is an acute angle. Next one, obtuse angle, an angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Look at the example. Angle LMN measures 130 degree. It is an obtuse angle. It is more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. So it is called obtuse angle. Next one, right angle. An angle whose measure is equal to 90 degree. Equal to 90 degree is called a right angle. An angle ABC measures 90 degree. It is a right angle. And the next one, straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight angle. It is 180 degree. An angle PQR measures 180 degree. It is a straight angle. Next one, zero angle. An angle whose measure is 0 degree called a zero angle. An angle PQR measures 0 degree it is called a zero angle. Next one, complete angle. An angle whose measure is 360 degree is called a complete angle. Angle measures 360 degree. It is a complete angle. And the next one, reflex angle. An angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. See, look at here. This is 90 degree. This one 180 degree. Yes, children, an angle whose measures is more than 180 degree. 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Here what is that angle? 245 degree. Yes. This is a reflex angle. Angle AOB measures 245 degree. It is a reflex angle. The next one, look at the sum. Write the following angles as acute, obtuse, right or straight angle. 86 degree. It's more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called a acute angle. It is 132 degree. More than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. The next one, 45 degree. It's more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree acute angle. Yes children. And the next one, 90 degree. 90 degree is a right angle. 180 degree is a straight angle. See the next sum. What measures in degrees should be added, subtracted or multiplied to make the desired angle? What is that angle? It is given 45 degree, a right angle. So a right angle, it is 90 degree. So write 90 degree minus 45 degree. So 90 degree minus 45 degree, it is equal to 45 degree. See the next sum, 18 degree. A straight angle. Straight angle, it is 180 degree minus 18 degree. Do the subtraction. 180 degree minus 18 degree, it is 162 degree. And the next one, write the type of angles made by the two hands. Two hands. It is a long hand and short hand of analog clock at. What is the time? 4 o'clock, 10 minutes. It is that hour, is that minute. 4 hours, 10 minutes. So that short hand mention the hours and then long hand mention the minutes. So draw that 4 hour 10 minutes. That short hand in between 4 and 5 slightly, and then 10 minutes. 12 to 1 it is a 5 minute, and then 1 to 2 it is a 5 minutes. So 5 plus 5, 10 minutes. So draw the long hand at straight true. So what is the time? 4 hour 10 minutes. See that angle? It is an acute angle. Yes. And then this side, it is a reflex angle. So what is the answer? Acute angle and reflex angle. See the next one. 3 hours. What is the time? 3 hours. 3 o'clock. So draw in that short hand in that 3, and then long hand in that 12. What is that angle? It is 90 degree. It's looking 90 degree. So it is a right angle, and then another side it is a reflex angle. So right angle and reflex angle. Next one, 2 o'clock 45 minutes. That is 2 hours 45 minutes. It is a 2. Draw in that short hand in between 2 and 3, and then 45 minutes. Add 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. The long hand in the number 9. So what is that angle it is? See here, it is obtuse angle, and then opposite side it is a reflex angle. So it is obtuse angle and reflex angle. See the next one. Without measuring, classify the following angles. See that angle, how should be it is? It is an acute angle. Yes, it is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. See the next one, it is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. See the next one, it is at right angle. Yes children, see the next one. Join all possible two numbers of the analog clock by a line segment so that the difference of two numbers is 6. And then answer the following. Find the angle formed by hands of the clock between the numbers 2 and 8. That short hand in 2 and long hand in 8. See that 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Then consider it is 2 to 3, it is 30 degree. So up to 2 to 8, how much degree it is? So multiply 6 into 30 degree. 6 into 30 degree, it is equal to 180 degree. So it is an complete angle. So 360 degree minus 180 degree is equal to 180 degree. The answer is 180 degree and 180 degree. See the next one more example. 4 and 2. 4. The short hand in 4. The long hand in 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then 2 into 30 degree. 2 into 30 degree is equal to 60 degree. So that complete angle 360 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 300 degree. The answer is 60 degree and 300 degree. Without using the protractor, mark an angle of 65 degree. Consider this 12 to 1 it is 30 degree and then 1 to 2 it is 30 degree. 30 degree plus 30 degree 60 degree. 60 degree after that it's slight before that line it is consider this 5 degree. 60 degree plus 5 degree it is 65 degree. That long hand it is in 12 and then short hand it is slightly differ from between the numbers 2 and 3. Mark the angle, it is 65 degree. One more example, 260 degree. Start from 12, 12 to 1, 30 degree, 1 to 2, 30 degree, 2 to 3, 30 degree, 3 to 4, 30 degree, 4 to 5, 30 degree, 5 to 6, 30 degree. Add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 intervals. So 6 into 30 degree it is equal to 180 degree. And then 180 degree plus 30 degree 210 degree. 210 plus 30 degree 240 degree. And then here it is given 260 degree. So in between 8 and 9 it is there. So mark an angle it is that long hand it is in 12, that short hand in between 8 and 9. So that angle it is 260 degree. And the next one, count the number of acute, obtuse and right angles inside each shape. Let us take this shape. Count how many acute angles in this. It is an acute angle. So write 1 and then how many obtuse angles? It is 1 and then this one it is 2. So write 2 obtuse angle and then right angle. This angle it is considered as 1 and then this angle 2. So write as 2. See the next one. How many acute angle it is? No one. So put 0 and then how many obtuse angles? No one. So write 0 and then count right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 right angles. See the next one. How many acute angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write 6. And then how many obtuse angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 obtuse angles. And then right angles? No one. So write 0. And then next find the angles in that alphabets. How many right angles are there in the given figure? So how many right angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 right angles. And the next one, how many acute angles are there in the given figure? How many acute angles? 1, 2, 3. 3 acute angles. And the next one, how many obtuse angles are there in the given figure? 1 and 2. 2 obtuse angles. Next one is the constructing angles. Construct angle XYZ of 65 degree with the help of a protractor. Step 1, draw a ray YZ. YZ. Step 2, place the protractor in such a way that its center lies on point Y and its baseline coincides with ray YZ. Step 3, mark a point X against 65 degree mark on the inner scale. Step 4, remove the protractor and draw a ray YZ. Okay students, today our revision class it's over. I given the homework. Do it correctly. We will meet in the next section. Thank you all.